Lekki-Epe Expressway is a 49.5-kilometer expressway connecting the Lekki and the Epe district in Lagos State. This road was first built in the 1980s. It was built during the administration of Lateef Jakonde. Under the administration of the current governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, this road is undergoing rehabilitation and upgrade. This is Abraham Adesanya after Ajah bus stop. From here, we'll be going down to Eleko junction, seeing the work progress achieved so far on this project. We'll be taking off from Abraham Adesanya, heading towards Eleko junction. Please pardon me, most of these videos will be shot on area view. On the course of documenting this particular project, dust penetrated my camera lens, giving it a blurry view, so I wasn't able to use camera at all. I will do my best with the area view, capturing details from the sky. And this is where the upgrade begins. Before now, this road were 4 lanes, 2 lanes on each carriage lane. With now, it's been upgraded to 3 lanes on each carriage lane, heading towards Epe. We'll see more on that as we make progress in this video. As you can see, this is where the upgrade started from, heading towards Eleko, Epe. From the area view, you can see both lanes are fully paved and open for traffic while they are currently working on the road demarcation, heading towards Sangotedo. We'll be seeing more on what they're doing as we make progress on the video. Please, we are not going to hit 50,000 subscribers before the end of 2025. If you hit that subscribe button now, you're helping us make this goal a reality. If you look close, you see that the construction on the road divider is underway, coming from Sangotedo, heading towards Abraham Adesanya from where we're coming from. Up on this section, the 2 carriage lanes are fully paved, so as the road divider. This was the highest I could fly. Now, let's see from Eleko section, coming towards this direction. This is Eleko junction. From here, we'll be closing up with the Abraham Adesanya section we just left from, whilst exploring the progress they've made so far on the Lekki-Epe Express. This is Lakwe School Gates bus stop. From here, we're moving forward to Obialor. On this side of the project, the road is fully paved, the pedestrian walkway paved, also working on the pedestrian bridge on this section. There are more of them going on. As we make progress, you'll be seeing more. This is one of the pedestrian bridge under construction. With Lekki-Epe almost completed, we also have the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway passing through this corridor. This will really open up Ibeju Lekki for better investment opportunities. This is Obialor. We are closing up with Sangotedo. This is Lekki-Epe area of Ibeju, Lekki. This is where we're stopping today, to be continued next time. I appreciate you so much for coming back with me on this part of the video. God bless you. If you like this one, I'm also sure you like the one showing on your screen. I remember your boy, Oz. If I come your way again, please take care of yourself and be safe.